Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a new tip on how to add data to your sheets, but keeping that data nice and clean. And that is the use of chips or smart chips. Now you can access these in two different places, so let's show you both. We'll start off in the upper left of our screen, the insert menu. Halfway down, you'll see the option for smart chips. And if you look just to the right, you'll see the option for people, files, and calendar events. So you can select which one you want from here. It will bring up your options from contacts, people-wise, and we'll select and we're good to go. Now, another thing that we can do is we can use our @ symbol. So if we go back to our keyboard and use the Shift 2, you'll see it will bring up all of our options for these chips. The next one that we've got down below people is going to be files. So we can select a file, take your cursor and hover over it, and you'll see it's a preview of. Same thing with your contacts. If you take your cursor and hover over, it will give you a nice preview of and some information of. Now, the last thing that we can do is we can use that same @ symbol and we can add a calendar event information piece. Hover over, and now it will give us that calendar event info. Now, you'll also notice that when we were in the @ symbol, it gives you an additional option. When you use the @ symbol, down at the very bottom, you will see an option for drop downs. This is a fairly new feature, but it allows you to create your own chip. So if we look to the right of the screen, data validation has popped up. We'll do a quick couple of names here. You'll see to the left of each of those names, we can add a different color for each of these chips if we wish. And now when we go back to our chip in our sheet, it's a nice oval shape, nice and clean, and we can simplify what we're picking from here. So this could be anything from a status of a project like complete, incomplete, on hold, or anything of that nature that you want to utilize in your sheet. You can also click on the edit button. It'll immediately pop this window out to the right, and you can access and tweak some things from there. Now, the other thing is if you go to that same insert menu just above smart chips, you will see that drop down option if you want to just go right to that. But with that, just wanted to show you how you have some additional options to add information to your sheets. And until we meet again, another hack, tip, trick, or update, this is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.